a phonics song. G, what do you see? A gorilla giggling up in a tree. G, let's all say G is the letter we'll sing today. G, come dance with me. G words grow like grass so free. Goat, goose, gift and guitar too. Learning with G is fun to do. Goat plays a guitar with his hooves, grooving and jumping with silly moves. G, hear that sound? Goat's goofy song shakes the ground. Goose wears glasses, walks so grand, waddling proudly across the sand. G, she honks with pride, wings spread wide as she glides. Gorilla gives a gift with a bow, wrapped in glitter, watch it glow. He grins and claps with a loud hooray. G is great, he loves to sew. Green grass grows beneath our toes. G, wherever it goes. Giggling, galloping, games to play. G is the best, hip hip hooray! G, come dance with me. G words grow like grass so free. Goat, goose, gift and guitar too. Learning with G is fun to do. Joke, go, come dance with me. G words grow like grass so free. Goat, goose, gift and guitar too. Learning with G is fun to do.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.